In this brief tutorial, I'm going to go through how to make this lazy daisy little flower. Okay, so basically it's a chain stitch, but it's a randomly executed chain stitch that can create this flower. Right, now to start with, what we do here is I'm using black embroidery thread, primarily just so that you can see this in the video, but you can use any colour that you want. It can be red, blue, whatever colour that contrasts with your fabric. And I'm using this blue piece of fabric here. Now to start with, I've decided I'm just going to work a little flower here. So from the back of the fabric, if you pull through and embed the knot in the back of it, and then holding the base of the thread to the left, and then working just right next to the stitch that came through, you put your needle in, run it a little bit up, and you create a chain. Right, now to anchor that chain in place, what you want to do is you want to just push the needle back through the opposite side of where that chain is. When you push it through, if you then work the stitch down here near the base of the first chain and pull it through. Okay, so that's your first petal, say. Again, you start again where you hold the thread in your left hand, right near to where the stitch came through. You want to work it back in again. Work it back in, approximately going at the same distance as the first petal, and you pull it. And you've created another chain. Now again, to anchor the chain, you want to go the opposite side of the stitch and push through and pull out like that. So that's your two. Again, holding the thread to the left hand side, working close to where the stitch came out, you go back in again. Okay, 3. Do another one here. So that will work back in here, and I want to come over to here to create a 5th petal. Okay. So that basically creates a small flower. Now to finish that one off, if you just pull that through and then work a back stitch into. Right, now you can then make as many different flowers all the way around. You can have them growing up here, here, over the side, but just be as creative as you want with this.